Hello everyone, welcome to Definite Solutions. Today I am going to show you how to change font style and size in Notepad. So let's get started. First you need to open your Notepad file, then you need to click on format, then click on font. From this menu under the font you can change any font you want. At the font style below you can change font style. You can change to regular, italic, bold and bold italic. And now you can change the size. From this menu you can change whatever you want and then click on OK to preview, and that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, then give this a like and share, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.